Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Welcome back to the Udemy course. Thank you for watching our previous video. So, on this episode of our course, we are going to learn about how to create an openings in various concrete elements. So, guys, let's move right away into the course that we have for you today. So, this is the previous video that we worked on the rough foundation. So we are going to continue to use this as our template. So I'm going to open the route foundation from here and we work around this route foundation. So first of all, we are going to create certain concrete unit, which is going to be certain walls, and also we are going to add columns and also beam as well. So first of all, I'll come to the structure tab from here and I'll select wall. So I'm going to pick or start an endpoint of my wall from this side, and I'll draw a vertical wall from this side and also provide an horizontal wall from this side. After drawing my wall, I can select my wall and right click and select similar from here. Then I'll change the base constraint to 0 and the top constraint to level 1, and I also do 0 as you can see from here. So back to my 3D, this is what we are going to have. So in a previous video, I uploaded the Revit file, the rough foundation, as a resource. So you can download this one as your template and you can provide the walls as I've done here. So let's move right away into it. So our main focus here today is to show you how to draw various like openings in Revit. So we'll come to the 3D area. Under the 3D area, we come to openings. So there are various tools here you can use to draw your opening. But we are going to deal with what? Opening by face. So I'll click on this one from here and I'll select the face of my raft. So after selecting the face, I have the option of the drawing tools in order to draw the various shape I want in my raft. So I'm going to use a rectangle aspect, then I'll select the midspan of my raft and do finish. So this void sometimes are used for elevator when you want to provide an elevator in your foundation. You can use this openings to create a cut in your rough foundation. Okay, aside that we have various of them here in which we are going to draw. So this is one way of drawing a void or an opening in your foundation. So the next one that we are going to do is to use the shaft form, the shaft opening. Also with that one, you can regulate that one by using the base offset and also the top offset. So we are going to do minus 300 and also level 1. For that one too, I'm going to use my rectangle tool. Okay, there we have it. So these are two ways in which you can create voids in your foundation. So the next one that we are going to do is to create a shaft or to create a void in our wall. So these are various ways in which you can create a void in your concrete element.